Okay, in order to start your JavaScript journey, you go into the main index.html and you want to make sure that the script tag, oops, is at the bottom. Sorry, that's my dog. Before the closing body. But at the very bottom, below the footer. So it's at the very bottom, and we'll be putting stuff in here in a moment. And you want to, but you want to keep the JavaScript in a separate folder. And how you do that is you're in this workspace, which your main CSS, shared CSS index, and this is going to be a shared JavaScript folder. So that's what I'm going to name it, and I put new file, shared.js, and that's it for this moment. And we will start writing this JavaScript code. And I want to remind you what the JavaScript, or tell you what the JavaScript code is about. And basically, we are going to take these modals up here, and when you click, do you want to continue? You click yes, and then something happens. If you click no, something else happens. And in order to do that, you need to use JavaScript. And these are just little pop-ups that any sort of commerce or page that's selling you, website that's selling you something often has. And basically, what we're doing is right now it's in display none in the modal. But we're going to have it display yes, or we're gonna turn this display non off and display it using JavaScript. So JavaScript is used to manipulate and change anything that's inside of the code, basically anything. And that's what we're going to do. We have an empty, and then we have this down. Again, we have this at the bottom. Okay. All right. So in order for the JavaScript to talk to the JavaScript folder, you have to say source equals shared. You can even, and then and make sure you put this source equals shared.js inside of this little caret, opening and closing caret here. And that should talk to each other.
J.